Hi friends. Welcome back. Today let us talk about iPhone X called iPhone X. The iPhone X marked a significant departure from previous iPhone designs with its bezel-less 5.8-inch OLED display, providing an immersive visual experience. The introduction of Face ID replaced the traditional Touch ID, offering a secure and convenient method for unlocking the device and authenticating payments. The A11 Bionic chip, coupled with neural engine capabilities, enhanced performance and supported advanced features like augmented reality applications. The dual-camera system on the back featured a 12-megapixel wide-angle and telephoto lens, delivering impressive photo and video quality. Portrait mode and portrait lighting introduced creative possibilities for capturing stunning images with depth and professional-looking lighting effects. The iPhone X also embraced wireless charging, a feature that added convenience for users. While subsequent iPhone models have brought further advancements, the iPhone X's combination of cutting-edge technology and elegant design solidified its place as a noteworthy device in Apple's lineup. As a gift, it would be a thoughtful choice for someone who appreciates a blend of innovation and sophistication in their smartphone experience. Beyond its hardware prowess, the iPhone X introduced a range of software enhancements. The iOS 11 operating system brought new features like the redesigned Control Center, improved Siri capabilities, and a Files app for better file management. The device also embraced augmented reality applications through ARKit, opening up a world of interactive and engaging experiences for users. The integration of TrueDepth camera technology not only facilitated Face ID but also enabled the creation of Animoji and later Memoji, turning users' facial expressions into animated characters. In terms of user experience, the iPhone X set the stage for a more gesture-based interface, as the absence of a physical home button required users to navigate using swipes and taps. This transition added a layer of intuitiveness to the device's operation. The iPhone X's impact on subsequent iPhone models is evident, as many of its features and design elements have influenced the evolution of Apple's smartphone lineup. As a present, the iPhone X not only represents a technological marvel but also a piece of Apple's innovative history. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you for watching.